Hello, in this video I will give you solutions to the problems you may have with the wall clock mechanism. First of all, I should mention that what I'm going to tell you here applies to all clock models and clock hands. And let's not forget that it is best not to have the battery installed in the clock mechanism when making adjustments. And I recommend that you first adjust your wall clock at the exact 12 o'clock position. First of all, we take the short lever and gently push it into our clock mechanism, pressing on the sides. And secondly, we take the long arm and push it in the same way, pressing and pushing lightly. And finally, we take the seconds. We insert the seconds, paying attention to the pin here. What we need to do in the clock settings is to move the long arm. This is how you set your wall clock. We do not interfere with the short arm. However, when we want to remove the hands on the clock mechanism, we put our fingers at the bottom and move them upwards. And that's all there is to it. And now, let's see the application by attaching our mechanism to a wall clock. We insert our clock mechanism into the hole in the clock. Then, by turning this piece that you see in my hand, tighten it. And if you do the opposite, you'll get will be saved. Now to our clock mechanism. In the same way, short sleeve, followed by long arm, and finally seconds. And tuning. And then we insert the battery. The part we have to pay attention to when inserting the battery is to insert the protruding part into the clock mechanism first. Then press the back part. And that's it.